Well, my name's Jennifer Glidden, and this is my son, James Glidden, and we're from Newcastle, Pennsylvania. And we're relocating to Jacksonville, Florida, and we're gonna start our mobile detailing business. And we're working through the Detail King to get all our stuff up and running. And we hope that we can, get things going. Well, we figured down there in Florida that boats would be very popular, to detail. RVs, a lot of people traveling, a lot of tourists, So I think that would be a really, really good idea to get into. Plus, there are a lot of exotic cars, a lot of big trucks, and a lot of people don't have time to, detail. So we'll be there 24 hours a day, whoever needs something clean, I'm not going to limit anything, any type of hours, I don't want to do that. I don't want limitations. So, our business will be, whenever you want it done, we'll do it, Well, he's going to be the president. I'm going to be the, the financial end of it, but I want this to be, my son's business, and it's our passion. It's something that we love to do, I travel a lot, which is really weird, and even at the hotels that I stay at, I'm out in the morning waxing my car, and you wouldn't believe the people that would stop at, like, really, you're waxing your car at the hotel? And that's how I kind of got the idea, and I was like, wow, people want their cars done, they're traveling, they don't want to deal with it, so it's like, that's a business opportunity, there's money to be made there, so that's kind of how I got the idea, and I'm gonna go with it. We have a lot of vehicles that we own that we detail, and people take notice of that. So I think this will be a really good thing for a family business. Wonderful guy, and every time I need chemicals, I have his number, and I'm going to be giving him a call and working with him, and we're going to add on to the business eventually. He wants to get into what's that, the ceramic
coating.
He wants to do that eventually, and there's probably a very complicated process. So, in time, that's something we want to incorporate. But you got to start somewhere,